Hey, what's up, you guys? You know, there's a lot of sickness going on out there. We back again for another video. And today, we got the SteamFast steamer. This is a multi-purpose steam cleaner by SteamFast. So let's get this. This is the model 370 WHBB. So let's get this baby open up and see what we got inside of it. Boom. All right, let's open this baby up. So first, looks like they gave us a cup. This is a measuring cup. Yep, it's a measuring cup. So it's got different things on. So that's a measuring cup. And here, it looks like a steamer vacuum. This is like a vacuum cleaner end. So I guess you can go over things right there. We've got some filters here. Of course, we got the manual here. You know what we do with the manual? Nah, y'all just kidding. I'm gonna actually read it. Next thing, we got another steaming device. So you can steam. It's got a little angle here, like a corner. So you can steam stuff there with that. Next, we got the actual hose. Oh, it's attached. Oh, it's actually attached to the. So we got some other things here. We'll figure out what these are for. Oh, you know what? I know what they're for. These actually can go on a different pad, so you can Velcro, because it's like Velcro here. So there you go. So you can do a little steam like that. So that's that. What else we got? We got some more accessories here. Another filter, and this is like a little mini steamer. So I guess you can like do little small things with it. So next thing, let's see what we got in here. We got the extension, of course. We got another steamer adapter. This thing has a lot of adapters to it. So we got another type of steamer adapter. I guess this is for floors. Looks like this is the one for hardwood floors, I guess. Let's get the main event out of here. Bam, bam. All right, we get this out the way. This is the actual machine right here. Open this baby up. And this is how it looks. Oh, I like it. It's got wheels on it. And this should be, that's the power cord right there. So that's the power cord. Then you got the nozzle here. This is the base setup. Here's the power switch here. And one thing I want to show you guys, if I can figure it out without the instructions, should be a way. So like I said, all these attachments go into that. Pretty clear cut. SteamFast. This is where you fill it up with water, you guys, right behind the green button. You just use this, and then you pour it in there. That's why it got the little tip. So this is where you fill it up with water, right there. So definitely check this out. Nice little adapters here. You can put them together, like so, and then you put them all on there, and then this goes like this. So basically, you see our height. You know, you get your height on it. And then any other adapter you got, you just put the adapter on and then do your thing. And then you can steam anything. And then, you know, if you want to do clothes or food, you can do it like that. So everything you need, nice, affordable steamer. Make sure you guys check it out. Link will be in the description. The SteamFast SF370. See you on the next one.